Fecund is an adjective that describes the ability to produce an abundance of offspring, growth, or ideas. It often carries connotations of fertility, creativity, or productivity in both literal and figurative contexts. Origins of fecund. Fecund comes from the Latin word fecundus, meaning fruitful or fertile. The term entered English in the 15th century, maintaining its association with productivity and abundance. Whether in nature or human thought, or how to use fecund. Fecund is used in both literal contexts, such as describing fertile land or animals, and figurative ones, such as describing a person's imagination or intellect. It is often employed in formal or poetic language. Example sentences. The fecund soil of the valley ensured a bountiful harvest each year. Her fecund imagination led to the creation of an entire fictional universe for her novel. The artist's fecund creativity produced a masterpiece after masterpiece, but in similar words, fertile, capable of producing abundant vegetation or offspring, prolific, producing large quantities of something, often associated with creativity or productivity. Generative, having the ability to produce or originate, lush, richly productive, often in reference to vegetation. Nuances of fecund. Fecund often suggests richness and abundance, not just in quantity, but also in quality. In a literal sense, it might describe land that is especially fertile, while in a metaphorical sense, it often praises intellectual or artistic productivity. The term carries a sense of admiration and is rarely used negatively. Cultural and literary usage. In literature and philosophy, fecund is frequently associated with nature's bounty, human creativity, and intellectual vigor. It is a favorite word in poetic and academic contexts, where richness and depth are celebrated. In essence, fecund beautifully encapsulates the concept of life-giving abundance, whether in the natural world or the realm of ideas. It is a word that celebrates the extraordinary power of growth and creation. Subscribe.